Good morning, dear. In first lecture, we have discussed what happens during the French Revolution. Introduction I have given in first lecture. What were the different incident happens inside French Revolution? After that, when French became a republic, there was the big challenge to make new policies, to make new constitution, and how a prince become run. Run means how to the nation should be run. Like for India, your study in class 8th, there were different challenges in front of our country. How to formulate it, how to a new constitution should be formed, how to the different provinces, states united. There was the rights also happens between India and Pak because our nation was divided on the basis of religion. Later on, that was the big challenge in front of us, in front of our leaders to united all states. So states were formed on linguistic basis, language basis. Now turn come to the France. In France, what happens after revolution? So in this lecture, we'll discuss about that. So it was the first clear expression of nationalism inside Europe. France was the first nation where nationalism or revolution held, and it was the first example of nationalism in the world. So we can say it was first clear expression of nationalism. Nationalism means some collective identity. How to all people can assemble at one place. So different symbol also used by French public leaders like a red cap, national flag, national anthem, like a ring it given in class 9 book. Second point, the idea of la party and la citoyen imposed. Like in India, we use motherland, matrabhumi. We use the such word, but in France, they were used fatherland. Such ideas were imposed inside France. Second, national flag used inside France. After that revolution, formation of National Assembly for a constitution. In France, first a National Assembly was formed. Later on, government formed by the Jacobin Club, Robespierre. After that, directory rule is started in France. After directory rule, Napoleon took over directory rule and France became republic at the end. Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated in Waterloo. In class 10th, we'll discuss in detail. So, formation of National Assembly, you know about it. After that, new poems, hymns were composed, new poems to develop emotions and collective identity. Like in our country, we also develop like a different song for collective identity, for emotions. Public can start struggle, and centralized administrative system was developed in France. Earlier time, monarchy rule, and there was no such centralized system developed. This time, centralized system was developed in France. Administrations, different unit is made, like in our country, central level government, state government, and local government. Such system developed inside the France. There were internal customs and duties abolished. Early time, ruler will collect different type of taxes. Louis XVI, all duties were abolished by the French government, and uniform taxes were imposed, which were equal everywhere inside France. Next point, we can say centralized administrative systems were developed. After, in France, there were different changes. New measurement systems were developed. Why these new measurement systems were required? Because when we study the chapter, there are the different unit given, and different unit given inside. Suppose take an example. In our areas region, 1 liter equal to 990 gm, but in other area 1 liter equal to 910 gm, like this. So that was the different. There is the L example is given, that was used to measure the cloth. So there was the different size and different measurement in different area. So that uniformities systems were developed, and this was the example of that. And another one, in place of regional language disgrace and French language promote, because earlier time different people were used the different language, regional dialect. In place of that, French language promote. Like in our country, earlier time different region use the different language, and after linguistic states, Hindi become a common language. Some states maybe do their work in English or Hindi official work. So such system were developed. As it developed in France, in place of regional language, French language promoted inside the France, and these ideas how to spread into the Europe, because France also comes inside Europe, and from France these ideas spread inside Europe, and later on it was followed by Belgium, Holland, Italy, and nationalism feelings had developed from France to inside Europe. And Napoleon Bonaparte also play important role in this. Who are Napoleon Bonaparte? You know very well. He was the person who took over France dietary rule and defeated in Waterloo. In next lecture, we'll discuss about civil code of Napoleon Bonaparte. How to the Napoleon Bonaparte play important role for nationalism. So today's we have discussed what happens after French Revolution and what were the incident happens during the French Revolution here. So today's our lecture have completed first topic of our book. What were the different incident happens during the French Revolution? Regarding that, if you have any doubt, we'll conduct Zoom class and you may be discuss on that. Thank you. Have a good day.